amazing. I didn't have to do anything. I'd never been in a car accident my whole life, so it's the first one. I was going to school, and I was thinking, oh my God, I can't see out my window. It's raining really hard. And then I saw a car coming my way, but it was like slow motion, so I didn't really think anything about it. A Hyundai got clipped by a PT Cruiser and managed to cross all 4 lanes and not hit anybody except for me. It hit me head on. We spun, I hit the center divider and ended up facing towards traffic, and my car was completely totaled. And then after the car accident, I was in complete shock. So I started freaking out, and I was in my car, and because my car door was like slammed in so I couldn't get out, I freaked out more. I waited until CHP and the firemen got there, and then they basically unjammed my door, and I got out of the car, and it was still raining, so I was really cold, and so they gave me a jacket, and then they basically said, you're lucky to be alive, and this is a really bad accident, and your car is completely totaled. The transmission blew, the front end bumper was completely off, my front end of the car was completely smashed inwards. My driver's door was concaved in, my back bumper fell off, my wheels are blown out. It was pretty bad. My car is completely totaled. Like, the car wouldn't even start at all. I was like, I can't believe I got in an accident on my way to school in the rain. Oh my gosh. They asked me if I wanted to be taken to the emergency room, and I said at the moment I didn't want to because I knew how much money it would be. So they took my car to a towing junkyard because they said it wouldn't be any use for me, and then I got picked up, and then I got taken to urgent care. At urgent care, they took x-rays, and they said that my neck was, it was supposed to be curved, but it was straight, so it was stiff, and they said that I would have a lot of pain in my neck, so they gave me antibiotics and told me to ice it. My injuries were on my back where my occipital lobe meets my, I want to say it's a deltoid, so it's from here to about here, and then in between my shoulder blades, so like middle back. That's where my injuries were. But my injuries substantially got worse in my neck, so they say occipital lobe to like the bottom end of my neck. So basically this whole region. And then afterwards I had gone to see a physical therapist. And so I've been doing treatment for about 2 years now, and I still have pain in my neck and back. I had originally hired, after 6 months of physical therapy, I had hired a attorney, but he was only a sole practitioner, so there was only one attorney in the office, and he had dropped my case, not telling me why he had dropped my case. There was no explanation for dropping the case. So I came to the accident attorneys, and they took on my case. They were amazing. They did a really good job. I didn't have to handle anything, which was really nice. And it was really stress-free because at the other place, I had to do a lot of calling and talking to my insurance, which is something the attorney should do, and it was really nice to not have to do anything and basically get the settlement that I wanted. So the settlement that I got, I was really happy with, and it helped in a sense that I was able to pay off some of my car that I got because of the accident, and for further medical treatments it's great, and to pay off my medical bills because I have a lot of medical bills because I had an MRI and I had an EEG and I had to see a neurologist and I had to go to physical therapy, and all of that adds up. So the settlement that I got was great because I was able to pay back my insurance and my medical bills that I wouldn't have been able to pay for had I not got my settlement. So in the end, I'm very satisfied with my settlement.